Now, Mr. Idris Roberts, you were here this morning when this accident happened.
Yes.
What exactly did happen?
Well, I didn't hear the impact of the boat when it struck the bridge. First thing I heard was screams coming from below the bridge. And I immediately rushed to the water's edge and could see that the boat had struck the bridge and was gradually sinking.
What did you do then?
Well, by this time, Mr. Hall from the nearby hotel had come in his dinghy and instructed me to ring the police immediately, which I did.
Did you play any part in the rescue of the people in the boat?
Oh, yes, yes. We ran upstream to meet the bodies as they were floating down with the tide, and I believe we pulled about a dozen, if not more, persons in to the river bank, and Mr. Hall was responsible for saving quite a number.